what you need to keep in mind as students, I would say, is that khali nahi baithna hai. Always have something on your mind, on your head. Like,
That's why I
don't
asked this question.
exactly. You don't have to sit empty, because it should be that you've graduated, so you're literally done with the kind of purpose or with the kind of responsibility as a citizen you have in India. That you have to study till 18 in school, and then you have to go to college, and then doing masters is again not a very necessity requirement nowadays. But yes, that is a habit that I would really recommend students to adopt. I think I am mentally a little more far-sighted at this age, so I could make out कि पैसे नहीं दे रहे हैं, and somehow because I'm studying political science, I'm in that field. I realize the value, and I would rather not call it the value, but the disadvantages that are connected to freebies. कि तुम्हारे admission free में करा देंगे. I'm like, what? Free में मेरा admission करा दोगे UK में? So where is UCL, where is LSE, where is King's College? And these agencies were like, okay, no, we cannot apply at King's, we cannot apply at LSE, but we can give you, other universities. I'm like, no.
Hi guys, welcome to another podcast, and today we have a very special guest. Her name is Masha, and she's going to London School of Economics, and she's here to share her experience with Ace My Prep and beyond, to talk about how do you make it to a top university in the United Kingdom. So first of all, welcome Masha. How have you been?
I've been absolutely good, ma'am. You tell me, what about you, Kashish, ma'am? I mean, she's been like an angel to me, honestly.
Cheers.
I'm so glad to meet her in person for the first time, not for the last time.
I'm so happy to meet you. I'm so happy to meet you too.
Good.
So Masha, tell us something about yourself.
Okay, so right, yes, my name is Masha Tokis, and I am a student of political science from OP Jindal Global University, and I'm heading to the London School of Economics thanks to Ace My Prep, and thanks to the lovely team members and everybody who was a part of the entire journey past 1 year. And yes, I'm looking forward to my time out there in London. I've heard the good, bad, ugly, everything else about the city, and yes, I'm looking forward. And I just have to say that I will forever be so grateful to your team, and thanks for getting this idea of starting the institution, because had this not happened, I think I wouldn't have been somewhere around.
We are really glad.
Good that idea struck you. That's all that I would say at this point,
I'm very glad that you're a part of this now, and I think that will stay forever. Trust me, these connections that you build between a council and a student, even till they are students, resume edit kar do. So I think we could do that.
You can do that, that's amazing.
Absolutely. Yeah. But now next to mention, we have Kashish, who has been the career strategist for Masha, helping her in the process. So Kashish, you could talk about Masha, how your journey has been with Masha.
It's been absolutely amazing. The journey, it's not just about how smooth the process has been, it's also because a student herself should also be very actively engaged in the process. Because काफी लोग होते हैं जो काफी laid back हो जाते हैं, but she was very active throughout the application, university shortlisting, SOPs, and after that एक बार हमारे offers आ गए, उसके बाद visa में भी. So that intent was very clear from the very beginning, and the profile was also very decent. So खुद का भी मन करता है कि इसको तो ले जाना है.
I'm glad you've done that now. She's going to LSE. Now, talking about this idea of going abroad. So, Masha, why did you want to go abroad? What was your reason?
So, look, honestly speaking, with the way India is growing in today's day and age, and trust me when I say that, because I come from a background of social science, I can see through the development, I can see through the policy building, I can see how the world is looking at India right now. From an economic perspective, from not just an IR perspective, because that's my course, but a lot more than that. But it was a very practical and a very thoughtful approach. I had to move out at some point of time because my field of study in which I wanted to major in, international relations, there's not much of a scope in India. It's just, JNU in Delhi, and there's this university in Pondicherry that's doing pretty good nowadays. So kahin na kahin lag raha tha that, firstly you want to go in for IR, and then you want to go in for IR, which is about international relations, and how worlds are, how countries are moving together, and how, there's a lot of global change happening. And for that to happen, it's important to explore. It's important to catch that one international flight that can lead you to connecting places all around. So keeping that in mind, I was very clear that एक बार तो बाहर जाना ही है. बेशक एक साल बाद काम, just come back, don't work if you don't want to. I mean, of course I would want to, I would want that exposure of working there as well. But it's important to not have that pressure in mind as a student specifically, that just because you're heading out, you've put in that much of time, effort, money specifically, so you have to earn and come back. Nahi to, what will your family do, and what about the hard-earned money your dad earned and all. You don't have to keep that in mind. You are going there to gain exposure. It's a lifetime print on your CV, on your profile, in your life, So never add materialistic things to your passion and your dream and your plans. So keeping that in mind, yes, I had to move out because practically I had to study IR, and I wanted to study it and master the entire field from one of the best institutes in the world. And that is what Ace My Prep helped me do, from the very beginning. And yeah, secondly, because somehow I do have family living abroad, and I have kind of seen it around that, you go out, you learn, and there's a lot of exposure that builds you as a person, because everything is not just about studying. Reading books can only build your brains, it cannot build your personality. And in the long run, you'll realize after 25 years of your life, when you're done with studying, getting grades, getting gold and silver, and bronze medals from universities and convocations, you'll realize nothing matters. It's all your overall thing. तुम्हारे बात करने का लहजा matters more than तुम में दिमाग कितना है at the end of the day. So these are the two factors that actually motivated me to go on the laptop, research about universities and courses and everything. So yeah, that's all about it.
I think now, these days particularly, we are getting a lot of students for international relations. There's something that I've seen change across the past 2 years a lot.
That's so great.
A lot. So, yes, I was talking about the fact that there's so many students now we get for international relations who want to go abroad. But I want to understand fairly that, let's say you were on the verge of taking a call, whether abroad versus what? What was your backup here in India?
So a backup would also be like, call it my background, because I'm an army kid. So I always have a lot of options ready, and I plan, strategize everything. So my backup plan was also plan 1 and plan 2. So the first plan was again, to sit for like the DO ke jo exams hote, CUET and everything, be in DO, because I don't know why and how, but in my family it's a thing कि तुम DO से हो, मैं तो DO से भी नहीं हूँ. So I was like, चलो कभी भी तो you'll get this brand on you. So I was looking at
very big brand.
Thanks to you, thanks to the team, absolutely. So no, again, thanks to the idea that struck you 6 years ago.
Thank you so much.
So yeah, I was thinking of DU. I was thinking of doing these diploma courses and all at LSR and Hansraj maybe. हो रहा था पता नहीं मुझे याद नहीं, but yeah, I mean something like that. And then public policy is also one of the very rising study in the field of social science and political science. So that is something I was considering, because India mein reh ke public policy is something that is easier to manage and deal, because it deals with social work and ground level field work and everything, which is, I mean, India is of course one of the best places to talk about development and poverty and climate change and everything. So yeah, I was mentally prepared कि एक साल लगा के apply in the universities abroad, get in. If you're getting what you want, go. If not, then you have public policy in India to focus on. But what you need to keep in mind as students, I would say, is that खाली नहीं बैठना है. You know, always have something on your mind, on your head. Like,
That's
don't.
why I asked this question.
Exactly. You don't have to sit empty because it should be that you've graduated, so you're literally done with the kind of purpose or with the kind of responsibility as a citizen you have in India, that you have to study till 18 in school and then you have to go to college. And then doing masters is again not a very necessity requirement nowadays. But yes, that is a habit that I would really recommend students to adopt. Don't sit empty. Just keep doing something, like be it an internship or be it some skill or something. Just never sit empty.
Okay. Now, talking about this journey, was your country always fixed that you wanted to go to UK, or that is something that you figured out during the process?
That is something I figured out during the process, absolutely, because again, who doesn't want to go to America? Who doesn't want to? Everybody wants to. So that was again one of my first, priority countries, I would say. But then I was researching like crazy all throughout. Last year, June, July, and August, I was totally like into my laptop ka screen, searching about the countries, the course, the work experience, and the work permit and everything, because I genuinely didn't know anything. My family has never gone abroad to study. They've somebody got married, somebody went, somebody got a job after like studying in India, so he or she went. But studying is like something very new, so I had to start from the lowest of the level to actually understand how do you go, how do you apply, what is this SAT score all about. All of a sudden I was like, what is this? And then there was GRE, GMAT and all, and somehow there's always been this fear that कि नहीं हुआ तो फेल हो जाओगे, तो you wouldn't like it. Why would you want to face a rejection? So that always hurts at every level. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो डर भी था. So
Let me understand this. So you mentioned you were researching a lot. So how many months were you doing this research on your own before you got to us?
yeah, that's what it took me, about 3 months to actually come down to the agency that I select.
And how did you decide that now is the time to reach out to a counselor?
That is when I realized that Google and the internet in totality is it's not a very organized way of informing an individual. It can lead to more of misinformation rather than information. So I was for a very long time, like for all those like 3 months, I was thinking that SAT का ये जो score होता है ये हर जगह देना पड़ता है, even for graduate students. And GRE, GMAT भी मुझे ही देना पड़ेगा. I was like, oh my god, फिर तो हो लिया मेरा. फिर तो it's like.
Let me understand this. We do not have a GRE GMAT score.
No,
We did not have to take it.
did not have a GRE GMAT score. Yeah, I mean, I applied at what, 12, 15 universities in the UK, and it was tuck. Without GRE, without GMAT. And I am a social science student, so yeah. I mean, yeah, it's the team. The team.
No, I think let's understand all of your hard work also academically. Let's say back in your class 12, in your bachelor's, what were your grades? What was your profile like?
So, I got a 94% when I was in grade 12. I think it did. I guess so. It was a broken heart because I didn't make it to, DU. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of pressure in DU. Okay. I mean, from my family, it's like DU में नहीं हुआ तो अरे क्या करें?
I got 96% and I was crying.
Trust me, I can totally get you. I mean, I need to hug you after this because you said this. I was like 94%, maybe not getting LSR and all. It really pinched. I cried it out, and now, of course, Destiny has given me LSC. So yeah, all because of the team at the end of the day.
I think let's just have it written here, all because of the team. But
तो खुशी खुशी कर दूं सच में 3 महीने का पूरा रगड़ा खा के I was like if my prep will do it so you better do it and you did it.
so let me understand this thing also. You were researching about the counselors also in this time. Yeah. And how extended was the research to find a counselor?
It was that extended that okay, so the best part about your agency is that you charge. Okay, it's not free. You know, you call up any other agency and they're like, no, it's free of cost. I'm like, what?
But as a student, were you able to understand why there is there?
I think I'm mentally a little more far-sighted at this age, so I could make out कि पैसे नहीं दे रहे हैं, and you know somehow because I'm studying political science, I'm in that field. I realize the value, and I would rather not call it the value, but the disadvantages that are connected to freebies. कि तुम्हारा एडमिशन फ्री में करा देंगे. I'm like what? फ्री में मेरा एडमिशन करा दोगे यूके में? So where is UCL, where is LSE, where is King's College? And these agencies were like, okay, no, we cannot apply at King's, we cannot apply at LSE, but we can give you, you know, other universities. I'm like, no.
So you had made up your mind that okay, these are the top universities.
Obviously, you know, you want to dream, you have to dream big. Otherwise, sit at home, enjoy your Netflix.
I'm gonna hug you for this.
Yeah, of course we should. Of course we should. So
I think it's very important because see that's we have these conversations with student time and again. It's very difficult to make the student understand that why are you charging across an industry where 90% people don't charge.
they don't charge.
And
that
for
is so
UK
surprising.
especially.
I know exactly. US, Australia also that way is easier because as a continent it's not reached that pinnacle. US and Canada and UK specifically, it's like, you know, skyrocketing every day, every minute. So understanding that was very important. And it was very clear to me because US I realized ki aana jana, you know, work permit and all is like very difficult. So stick to UK. For a very long time when I was researching, I thought about Australia. And I think I'd spoken to Ayushi ma'am about Australia initially. And then of course, I mean, I met Ashmita ma'am after that, and then Karthik also came on board, and then तब तक तो UK का decide हो ही गया था, but yeah, for quite some time it was Australia, and then I don't know, somehow I zeroed down to UK. Even after,
For the field also that you're going for, UK is a perfect place.
but even then, you know, because there's so much of propaganda around in the Indian media about, you know, the riots and riots so chalo abhi ho rahe, but past 1 year about, you know, so much of unemployment happening, so much of this and that, and you know, chori chakari and everything. I'm like, is it even good to go? So I was like, chalo theek hai, LSE के भरोसे ही जाएंगे अभी. कुछ हो गया तो LSE ही बचाएगा.
In of course the universities do take care of the students a lot. It's not as you know it is shown on the television, and I mean I'll connect you with the students who are currently placed there, and the students take charge. You know, the students who are currently there, they understand that once you're sitting back in India, what would be going on in your mind seeing all of this, right? In fact, the riots, I had the student Monica, she came back and she gave me a call that tell your students that things are fine. It is there, but the students are all safe within the universities. So, I mean, all of this knowledge will come to you once you connect with the prior students. But my next question is for Kashish, which is you had this wonderful, sweet student, very excited, very passionate to go, wonderful profile, I believe, but aiming very high. That is what we talked about. So when the profile came to you, what were your first thoughts around the profile and what did you believe you could get?
Okay. So firstly, according to the program that Masha was going for, which was international relations, her profile was basically completely tailored around it. That's what I observed about it. Because firstly, the GPA is one of the most important aspects of any profile. Oh, अच्छा.
And we had how much in bachelor's?
I got a 6.945.
Okay.
8.
Okay.
TGPA, right?
Yeah.
That's out of 8.
हमारे पास SGPA था.
Acha.
But it was final results के बाद it turned out to be 6.9.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
But yeah, as I was saying, it completely tailored around in the inclusion. I think they played a major role
Okay.
Master के profile में, because we had certain brand names also जो कि हमें different. advantage we leverage करें. We sprinkle them around her CV very thoroughly. We talked about them in the SOPs as well. You had an internship with Aam Aadmi Party also, right? Correct.
Okay.
So there were the internships and extracurricular activities also. And it was a very diverse profile. I would
Okay.
say. Holistically, अगर कोई LSE is one of the schools to be holistic करते हैं profile को. So according to them, if you are meeting not just the GPA requirements, but if you are able to show your interest in the program as well, plus if you are going through the curriculum of the universities very thoroughly, आपको faculties जो कि इस पर research कर चुके हैं regarding certain topics, if you are able to express your interest in their research also, and you are basically able to show your intent very thoroughly.
Correct.
प्रोफाइल के अलावा हमें अपने लॉन्ग टर्म शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स भी बहुत ज्यादा thoroughly बताने पड़ता है.
Correct.
So if you're able to do that, it is basically going to be a game changer. That CV SOP, one of the major documents.
Absolutely. But for international relations, the class average age, because she has other offers too, right? But talking particularly about LSE, that has a very high class average age. That means people would be coming in with a lot of experience, a lot of research based experience as well. So how did you fight that particular point? Because IR में वो बहुत जरूरी है.
Right. Okay, so particularly talking about the class profile, it's again not like अगर आप fresher हो तो आप apply ही नहीं कर सकते. It's true. कि political science and international relations and public policy and diplomacy in courses में experience लोग ही जाते हैं. But you need to again showcase your profile in such a manner कि again she had practical experience. She did not just हमारे पास research के related बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं था.
Okay.
But we were able to showcase practical experience.
Okay.
And extracurriculars, जैसे कि अगर college में भी we are able to show extracurriculars in such a manner कि अगर आपने किसी diplomacy से related society या community के भी आप member थे, then we highlight that a little bit. So for instance, Marsha mentioned that she was also a member of a founding member of Diplomedia, right? Yeah, that's the name.
Okay.
Correct.
What is that about?
That's basically emphasizing on, discussions and events regarding global affairs
Okay.
in the university.
In the university. Okay.
So we would interview professors who are, majoring in different fields of studies
Okay.
within the field of IR and,
Correct.
geopolitical studies and everything. And
Okay.
we had a lot of events and exhibitions and everything. So
Okay. That's good.
So like such student-led organizations basically show that you are an initiative taker. आप initiatives ले रहे हो and that too towards social welfare. IR is the kind of program that is not just about earning money and profit, all about lucrative business. It's about making a change in the society as
Correct.
well. So that is something that you need to showcase through your profile. अगर कोई बहुत experience भी है but they're not able to showcase that, it's absolutely no point.
Fair. Correct. Now talking about your plans in the United Kingdom. So after your course, what do you plan to do? Have you planned anything as of now?
of course, I plan to get a job, man. Of course, I do. But I mean, again, being the 4G brains, I'm internally still planning and strategizing everything. But I have this habit of, not talking it out openly. Till the time it's not done. आधे लोगों को पता भी नहीं कि मैं ऐसे जा रही हूँ. मेरा तरीका होगा, I'll go there, I'll get myself clicked, it'll come on Instagram, and then they'll be like, woof, that's going to be the
I
plan.
understand.
So
In fact,
yeah.
a lot of students do that. It's not
Yeah,
just you.
so exactly. I mean, it's my achievement. It's ultimately the kind of proud parenting that my parents should be proud of. The kind of
How
upbringing
excited
that-
are they?
They're even more excited than me. So,
Worried also?
Huh?
Worried as well, seeing the child?
Worried as in, like my mom, she's been, anxious for quite some time now. वैसे हमेशा ही रहती है वो, but even then, अभी ज़्यादा
She's gonna
होने
watch
लगा.
this podcast, I believe.
Let her, she knows it, man. I mean, I've told her a lot of stuff, so that's okay. I mean, she understands, that, the daughter is going out more than anything else. It's always a different feeling, and I'm the elder one in the house. So in both the families, even among the cousins, in most of the cases. So I mean, it's different, So it's a good feeling.
When are you flying off?
16th, just in like 48 hours or something.
That's very
That's
quick.
very quick, no?
Alright.
Now, talking about the other offers as well. So, I mean, selecting LSE was a clear choice, but let's say, God forbid, LSE was not there. Out of the others,
I also got into King's College London, and somehow, it's kind of surprising because initially when I was applying at colleges in the UK, I was emphasizing on staying away from London because somehow I'm not a very nightlife oriented person. I'm not into the grown up stuff इतना ज़्यादा at this point. सो आई वाज लाइक कि थोड़ा दूर रह के अगर पढ़ाई करोगे तो अच्छे से हो पाएगा, नहीं तो लंदन में तो बिल्कुल ही यूल बी आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल कि बस चलो एवरी डे यू गोइंग आउट हु केयर्स अबाउट वेदर द स्ट्रीट इज सेफ और नॉट, जस्ट वॉक इन वॉक आउट. So I mean, everybody knows themselves. So I was like, just be a little away from the city. So I actually applied in most of the major cities of UK. There was Glasgow, there was Birmingham, Leeds, and there was Cardiff and Lancaster, and all these places as well. तो वो तो बहुत जल्दी उनके ऑफर्स आने लगे थे. The first offer that I got was from this School of Oriental and African Studies, University of London. So I still remember I was out for a run in the evening and I was like कि पता नहीं apply तो कर दिया है, let's see how things happen and all. And then I was coming back and I was again out of breath and all. I was like कुछ mail आया है देख लेंगे, खोल के देखा, I was like oh my god, is it me? Because I don't know, somehow is it with everybody or was it just
it
me?
is,
But
trust me, it
I
is.
put myself to the lowest level कि बस यहीं से उठ के अभी जाना है. लिवरपूल मैनचेस्टर भी आ गया था. I was like I'll have to become a football ultra at this point. नहीं तो काम नहीं चलेगा. So yeah,
okay, where were you when you got your LSE offer?
where was I? I was sleeping. I was sleeping and Ashmita ma'am had, she texted me, congratulations on your LSE offer, and then somehow she called my dad. That congratulations sir, Marsha's made it to LSE. Dad was again happy. Mummy also got to know of it, and then I woke up and then my dad, everybody called up from the family, like बार calls आ रहे हैं and I am a very deep sleeper, so I was like who cares, let it just keep ringing. फिर तीसरी बार चौथी बार आया, I was like okay fine, let me just pick up the call. And so
I can tell you what exactly we do because in the morning we of course go through all the statuses of the students, and of course our first habit with that excitement is कि जो offer वाले mails हैं सबसे पहले let's check that. And I mean Kashish, everybody, Karthik, Ashmita, we all were there, and then we post it on a WhatsApp local group. That's for the team to know and sort of celebrate. You have to celebrate every offer because it's a lot of hard work both from the student and the CS. So we post everything in the morning. So while most of the student, team members are just climbing the stairs, I think that's when it hit that. Okay, Masha got through LSE, and I think it was a wonderful moment because LSE again, it's
that's
LSE.
amazing. I mean, that's again teamwork, as you mentioned from the very beginning.
I think, see, in your profile, your grades were very good. International relations, जो सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी चीज़ होती है, as Kashish also mentioned, is the relevancy. You cannot make it to IR if you genuinely can't convince them you want to do something for the world. You can't. Even if you have bigger brands, but I think the small things that show your leadership skills, that was very important. And I think even though Kashish might have not told you a lot of times, but I think she was confident. And Kashish has this habit of getting top offers, I think. Yeah. We often say, we have this local saying at Ace by Pep, she has a magic wand to sort of run.
Thank God she happened to me. Thank God.
Now, as we plan 48 hours left, I'm just sort of stuck by that. But what is going on in your mind now?
Nothing. Just I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm kind of looking forward to the lessons that I'll learn, to the times that I'll fall, to the moments when I'll be homesick. And I am sure that yes, I will fight it out because at the end of the day, I have earned it for myself. I have earned the good, bad, ugly, all parts for myself.
Correct.
And I will celebrate the happy times, but I'm also there for myself, जब मुझे लगेगा कि I'm tired, खाना नहीं बन रहा, बाहर बर्फ पड़ रही है, and yeah, I mean, I'll just sleep, I think. But yes.
Don't spend your time sleeping. Meet people. I think you talked about exposure. I think very important part
Yeah,
to it is meeting new
absolutely. I
people.
mean, jokes apart, I have to say it's very important to network as soon as possible. I call it networking because थोड़ा professional ज़्यादा मतलब एकदम से, but just make friends यार. I mean, if you are with the right people, and I believe the best place to become friends with the most, I won't exactly say influential because बच्चे तो कहाँ ही influential मतलब it's not like student union thing you're talking about, but the good students, मतलब जिनको देख के लगता है times to come, कहीं ना कहीं well placed and all, always meet people and become familiar with faces in libraries, in classes, places where I won't say you have a lot of books around, but wherein you are, even during fests, I would say, people really, degrade that entire time a lot, but it's important, because those are the kind of people who can nail the scores. They get very good scores. They are, pretty smart in terms of studies, and they can manage their time really well. I mean, hats off to those kind of people.
But yes, networking is important. That's what we.
Even if you want to bring the slightest of things together, if you don't know the right people,
They
because
actually,
अकेला इंसान क्या क्या
you're going to have fights, na? It's not like you're. I mean, you can't do everything by your own. You will have times when you need genuine people.
True.
And I think when you are in college, I think make the strongest connections because you're dealing with a lot of things together, academic pressure, files, assignments, all of this. So these kind of people, they sort of stick with you, and that's why we still, if we have our college friends, I think they still stay with you.
Makes a huge difference. Again, like, I mean, you're saying this to me now, I may not really understand the value because I'm just out of it. But maybe I am sure that, in times to come, I'll be like, those are the people who actually know me.
Yeah, because I got very occupied with things and I had to leave most of my college friends. But now I realize that, okay, maybe I should have kept a few people because we were trying to genuinely contribute to each other. But you took a step back and you lost that connect. But now I realize कि वो लोग बहुत important role play करते हैं. So there are times when I have my fights and I think, okay, this person could have been there,
And कहीं ना कहीं initially वो guilt setting होता है that you could maintain
Yeah.
the friendship because
Correct.
दोस्तियाँ निभाना also I call it is a कला.
Yeah,
सबके
that's
बस की
tougher
बात
than
नहीं.
making friends
Exactly.
actually.
And then, that's what my mom was saying because, like, as an army wife, she's been traveling outside Delhi so much that she's lost connections and friends, because she's also, like, from Delhi only. So, ultimately, रहे तो यहीं पे हैं, but निकल गए बाहर, for like 22 years and all. So now that we are back, she's like, have to meet this person, इससे मिलना है, उससे मिलना है. But, इतने time से बात नहीं हुई. Will they feel that, एकदम से याद आ गई? But the fact is, friends don't think that way. They're very blunt and they're like, okay, just, they'll tell you straight everything. So, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है because
नहीं, I think have a great time. And in fact, the good part that I've realized while talking to a lot of students is that you can actually build that sort of a connect with your professors, the staff.
Absolutely.
Everybody is a great help there. And that's one stark difference, in the culture. That you can, talk to professor just how you are. You don't have to go on with a filter. तो वो बहुत जरूरी चीज है. Besides, I think particularly at LSE, the professors, I think the faculty is great. You're going to learn so much.
Very friendly also, I believe.
Yeah.
that is something that actually, had UK over US for me because I've heard US is very formal. And I don't know because I'm not going there. इतना फिर research वगैरह भी मैंने बंद ही कर दी वहाँ पे. But that's what they say. It's a lot of formalities and all. Just got a mail before every office hour. It's not a walk-in, walk-out sort of a thing. So let's see. I mean, I'm at the right place, I'm sure.
You'll figure out. You have to figure out a lot of things. Yeah, absolutely. Now, talking particularly about this journey. So, what were the tough parts for you across the journey when you felt like, okay, this is just blowing up my mind?
It was the visa for sure. I was at the peak of my, because anxiety मेरे को होती नहीं है वैसे. I'm kind of quite calm. But मुझे लग रहा था कि LSE जाके अगर visa नहीं हुआ मेरे, it's going to be like, oh my god. So yeah, very silly stuff actually. Very
I think
silly.
visa के time तक आप हो जाते हो anxious. A lot of anxiety sets in automatically, knowing every student, even the calmest of the student at the time of visa, we know that they are bound to get
Yeah, because
anxious.
somehow I think the riots added on to it because our family friends and all settled in UK were also mentioning that it's not a joke. I mean, it's happening and it's happening big time. So that is when I somehow felt that because you're going as a student, of course it's a good university and you're a student, but एक बार जाके मन थोड़ी करता है वापस आने का आधे बच्चों का. मेरा तो चलो अलग बात है because I don't know what, but I just like my home. I love my country. So everybody does, but somehow what I'm saying is that मेरा फील्ड ऐसा है that मैं अगर वापस भी आऊँगी तो I'll be among the good well researched people. So I'm sure I trust myself कि वापस आके I'll be able to do something good. If I want to have my own startup or something, I can do it for myself because I trust myself. A lot of people get very happy with the kind of life that they have outside because they're independent, they're on their own. That's something that Indian parenting doesn't really put onto the student, onto the child, that अपने आप कुछ कर रहे हो. मतलब my level of pampering in life has been so much कि बाहर अगर आइसक्रीम भी मुझे खानी थी, so there would be somebody coming with me. My nanny till date, I was like, I just want to go to Nirola's and have hot chocolate first. She's like, चलो ठीक है मैं साथ आ जाती हूँ तुम्हारे. And she's 70. I am driving. I have to pay. I have to eat. But then you just want to sit with me because I cannot send you alone. That's it's a very tiny example, but it's very impactful according to me because that's one way of understanding Indian parenting, that बच्चे बाहर जाके, not that they're running away, but they just feel independent. And once I won't call it a cage, but once when you get to decide for yourself, once when you come up with your own purposes in life without any kind of external pressure, you feel happy, and nobody would want to give it back to your parents, or especially for girls, maybe to your boyfriend or your husband.
So there is the safety net.
Yeah,
and I mean,
absolutely. In India it is there.
Yeah. And once you move, and that's not just when you're going abroad, when you're moving out for a job, your perspective changes. You become independent. I mean, even if my university was like 40 minutes away from my home, I could have traveled, but I wanted to live in a hostel because I was so protected. I wanted to do things for myself. I wanted to fail. I wanted to learn. I had been so protected. I never failed. Yeah.
Parents might see it as बच्चा बिगड़ गया या घर पे रहना नहीं पसंद है, but that is the point. We want to get kicked out, because you will learn the hard way. That is the reality,
Definitely.
So
exposure भी तभी मिलता
हाँ,
है.
absolutely.
You will face, you will get up.
That's what.
Right.
So the earlier you get this clear in your head, the better it is for everybody, because a lot of things get sorted out.
Now, what we wanted to put as a tagline, that's what my question is about. I mean, I'm sure Kashish would have been a great help, but how do you think having a counselor in this journey really helped you? What were the points?
That's I think that's one of the most important questions at this moment, because when I was eager to go out, I started researching. That's one of the most the least act somebody of my age can do for himself or herself is to sit on the laptop, research, and get to know about universities and courses and everything. But what a counselor brings on board is a clarity of thought and a reality about the industry, because there are a lot of scams happening. I won't lie. I mean, it's very true. It happens, if not sitting in Delhi, but yes, in a lot of other places, it's something very normal that तुम्हें England भेज देंगे, and then Donkey happened this year only. I was like, it had to happen this year only, and I mean, it's just that it helps you. The counselor would actually help you jot down the do's and don'ts and what exactly you're looking at, because not that the counselor knows you better, but I don't know उनकी training ऐसी हो रखी है या इनका trait ऐसा है because of which they've been selected to be on board as a career counselor or something like that, is because they know how to bring the student onto the path and make the student decide for himself or herself that what is right for you. Because it's like a basic जैसे NLP होता है ना, neurological programming, that you know exactly what's wrong with you, मेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है मुझे पता है, लेकिन आई नीड समबडी टू हेल्प मी फिगर आउट मेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है. आई नो द सोल्यूशन टू माई प्रॉब्लम, बट आई नीडेड हर टू सिट विद मी एंड टेल मी, okay, this is the issue, this is what you want, and this is how you will get it, you know. So yeah, and you know, I think the kind of motivating factors that, you know, add on to your journey through them, it's, you know, मैम ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, अच्छा ठीक है मैं देखती हूँ, अच्छा ठीक है I'll do this, अच्छा ठीक है मैं मेल देखती हूँ. मेरा तो मेल आज तक कभी चढ़ा ही नहीं है. I've never been able to, you know, get a hang of, you know, my mail and my password. So it's always been Kashish ma'am and Prachi ma'am बाद में, you know, May onwards, who's actually been looking after the mail. कि इनको ये mail कर दो वो. मतलब basic सी चीज़, my dad was like इतना भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो. I'm like LSE में admission हो गया, चुप है छोड़ दी. So that's the thing. I mean, you know.
But I'm very glad you said that, because when we talk about a counselor, information, I think we talk about it, it's just 20%. The main thing is that the journey is so anxious. It's a very long journey, first of all. It's not 2 days.
For us, at 18, 19, yeah, chalo, मैं 20 कह दूँ, because I'm going for, like, you know, my post grad. Literally, our life depends on it. You know, now the question is whether I want to settle there or not. And settling is not easy, you know, in a different country altogether. No matter how, whatever level you're going at, and whatever it is, you're away from your home. You know, somehow I personally can be a little better off, because every 3 years as an army kid I've been moving here and there. तो वो adaptive जो habit है वो nature तो है ही है.
I'm sure Kashish would have used that in the SOP.
हाँ कहीं ना कहीं my starting was I am an army officer's daughter or something like that. I've traveled in what I learned from my dad and my mom and ऐसे कुछ करके. So
Very personalized in that manner.
yeah, that's also very important. You know, your SOP needs to be as personalized as possible.
How was your journey helping out Masha?
The story itself was so motivating. It speaks for itself basically in a manner. But our job is simply to put it in such a manner that actually this is the journey, this is what my intent for going abroad is, and this is what I plan to do after going there as well. So long term ka apna vision, it has to be very clear in the MP as well. So every aspect of the profile, not just in terms of the academic part or the practical experience part, but एक self motivation भी दिखाना होता है कि she's an army kid and she has always had this habit or had intent to do well towards the society as well. ये मतलब primary intent है. Plus background, so something to look into. You need to show diversity. Diversity, inclusivity, this is something that you focus on a lot, and especially for IR.
Correct.
Public policy, इनमें तो होता है कि you have to show that you have this kind of intent. So just personalizing it to a certain extent, that makes all the difference. Plus LSE में application के अलावा CV के अलावा SOP ही है, जिसमें आपका सबसे ज़्यादा emphasis है.
Correct. What about the profile enhancement? Did you have to move a lot of things on the profile, or you had a lot of it painted on the canvas that you could just put it right and move on?
Okay. This is the since Masha had enrolled somewhere around September itself, right? Yeah. Correct. Oh, we just wanted to start with the application very early as well. कि scholarship के लिए and early round में apply करें, just like बहुत फिल होने से पहले हमारा offer भी आ गया. What we did actually was simply highlighting, bringing every aspect of the profile to the CV as well.
Okay.
Because internships है या फिर practical exposure है या extra curriculars भी, volunteer experience जो है, all of that we brought to the profile and collated in such a manner, उसको enhance करा है हमने.
Correct.
Besides that, it was just the IELTS preparation, it was just the SOP, it was just CV building only. CV को build करना ही है very important. So that is what I just brought the offer.
And how did you feel when she got through LSE?
I was actually coming from downstairs, so I really, and तब everybody started congratulating. उन्होंने बताया कि माशा got into LSE and I was
Amazing.
wow.
Yeah,
In the mornings, generally, it's like one person running from here. You got this offer. There's another one coming from that side. We have another
That's an
offer.
amazing, you know, routine that you have initially. But, you know,
Yeah.
सुबह का दिन अच्छे से शुरू हो.
Good morning.
Yeah.
No, I think we all were very happy. I mean, anytime a student comes, you know, you could do this. You could, let's say in your profile, we could get to XYZ university. we want to do better than that.
Yeah.
So when you get the topmost offer, it's a very happy moment, very happy moment. And I think meeting you personally today, I feel like you deserve it. Of course, your profile was very good, so already this fact was there that you should be getting into LSE. But now knowing you personally, because there are some students up. I think Kashish better जान सकती है आपके प्रोफाइल के बारे में and you as a person. But there are students who genuinely deserve to get into topmost universities. Maybe in your case you had very good grades also. A lot of students don't have good grades. But it's like you want them to get in. And I think here Kashish had been
That's
after
when
this.
the personal side begins, and
Yeah.
yes, I know the student, and he or she has to.
Yeah.
You know the challenge to the profile and आपको पता होता है this is the aspect you have to work on कि ये हमारा तो
Correct.
हमारा role होता है इसको.
Absolutely. So coming down to challenges, I mean, what do you think was challenging in my profile? What came up? I was like, okay.
So right now Kashish is like nothing. You have gotten
अभी
there.
तो
अब आशा ने बोला ना पता हो challenges क्या नहीं, I'm not talking particularly about your profile.
Yeah, but I get
जैसे किसी भी प्रोफाइल में अगर for instance your grades were good, but काफी students के grades नहीं होते अच्छे, we don't have any aptitude test also उनकी प्रोफाइल में या किसी का IELTS score भी
She's
नहीं आता है.
subtly mentioning aptitude.
I know exactly. That was one of the major conversations, in fact, that I had on a video call with Ashmita ma'am. You know, she was emphasizing कि GRE GMAT देना है. I was like, clearly मैंने बता दिया कि देखो अभी टाइम कम है,
Yeah.
मेरे से नहीं हो.
But that's always good. To tell it fairly and not wait for 11th
You
hour.
have to know your capabilities. You have to be practical enough in understanding and knowing what can you do within what time limit. You know, because I was in college and I had like 7 to 8 subjects to study, to write the exams, and हमारा तो देखो it's not it's a lot of rectification and all. तो मैं तो घूम के अब भाई जो भी याद आए या जाके लिखो अगले दिन भूल जाओ. So I was like, I don't have the time to sit and give like 2-3 hours to GRE GMAT का तैयारी, and I was very straight, and I'm glad that she could understand at the first minute itself. You know, otherwise I've also spoken to a few counselors from other agencies who were like कि नहीं वो तो देना पड़ेगा, मुश्किल होगा, नहीं हो पाएगा, दिक्कत आएगी. I was like, what? ऐसा नहीं हो सकता,
You didn't feel that why this one person is saying that no, you can't.
That is something that actually built up that trust in the agency. Apart from the money that was, taken, which is totally worth it. I was like, कि ठीक है यार, चलो at least an understanding what I'm wanting to, talk about and express. That, it's not the right time to happen because September, I think September end या October के आसपास we were deciding. And she was like, I think January या कहीं पे exams. I don't know when do the exams happen. But my dad was also right there, and मेरे पापा के सामने ये कहना कि अभी नहीं हो सकता बाद में, it was a huge task. It was because he is somebody, I mean, being from the forces and all, he's like, you have to do it. So I was like, have to do it तो ठीक है, लेकिन yeah. So
No, but actually, that's what we try to explain to most of the students, that don't resort to this exam. One, if you're going to spend 3-6 months doing this and you still think you can't make it, because most of our students are working professionals and it's not easy to give 3-4 hours and sit down with the same focus every day. So if you can't do it, then weigh your scale, weigh the chances. अच्छी universities हैं जहाँ पे आपको नहीं चाहिए BGRG.
Yeah, so that is one of the important aspects. I had spoken to Ashmita ma'am at that time ki tell me the universities when I can apply where GRE GMAT is not mandatory for my course. And then she gave the list. So I was like, yes, I am pretty sure. I trust myself. यहाँ नहीं तो यहाँ तो हो ही जाएगा. So keeping in mind the kind of profile that you have and the kind of universities that you're looking at, because तब तक universities shortlist नहीं हुए थे. So we were still figuring out, and then I was like, if it is that mandatory to actually sit for GRE GMAT, then I will take an entire study gap. I will study, I'll also intern, I'll also take up some kind of a diploma course. I'll manage my time in such a manner कि एक साल निकल जाए, but अगर इतना ज़रूरी है to actually reach that Harvard Oxford वाला level, then I'll give 1 year यार. मतलब of course you have to for yourself. It's a lifetime brand that you're carrying for ever. So but चलो ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी तो
ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. Absolutely. But overall, how would you sum up your journey at Ace My Prep? What we could do?
flawless. नहीं जरूरत नहीं पड़ी कहने के लिए और क्या अच्छा कर सकते थे.
We come to an end of this podcast. Masha has to run and pack. But definitely very excited for her. I hope you guys are motivated to know more about yourself, be more informed, plan things out, get to a right counselor, and eventually work very hard with your counselor to get into your dream university.